Don't let lack of experience stop you from getting into the garden and harvesting fruit, because there's some dwarf fruit trees that are perfect for beginners. Pinkerbell and Leprechaun apples are both natural dwarfs with tight, compact habits. This means they require very minimal pruning. They're perfect pollination partners and offer two different styles of apples at different times of the year, so you can avoid apple glut. Super Dwarf, Sunset, Peach and Nectarina are also natural dwarfs needing next to no pruning to produce huge fruits. These varieties are equally at home in cold and warm climates, plus have gorgeous red foliage that fades to a dark green over summer. All of these suggestions are perfect for pots or planting in the garden and are all small trees with low maintenance requirements. Don't miss out on harvesting your own fruit. There's no flavour quite like garden success.